And no matter how often you've heard this before, let me emphasise it again today. Safety is IM Motor's top priority. Safety is integrated within the IM products. I spoke earlier about the safety that the digital chassis brings to the handling, the Moose test. We spoke about PVSS and rainy night mode, but it's much more than just that. It's also the ADAS, the body structure and the battery safety that all of our vehicles come with that make these vehicles incredibly safe. And battery safety is a hot topic at the moment, right? And it's certainly something that we can't ignore. When we developed our 800-volt battery, we developed the system with our strategic partners CATL with industry-leading safety features. And what these safety features do is they help prevent overheating of the battery, which keeps us safe in all conditions. And I'm proud to share IM's battery safety record. To date, IM has delivered over 100,000 cars worldwide, zero battery fires, zero. But there's more to safety about these cars as well. There's body safety. Over 80% of our vehicle body is made up from 3 types of steel: high strength, ultra high strength, and even submarine grade steel, which means it's pretty tough, but in all the right places, of course. And finally, one of the most important areas for you and your family, so you can feel assured that IMs are built to globally recognised standards. We have 7 airbags, and we have been awarded with 5 stars rating under the China's C NCAP.